Hi everyone, today's video I'm going to show you some amazing free tools to help you more in your business on the internet. And now let's begin with the first tool in today's video, that is thehoth.com. This wonderful website contains a plethora of SEO tools if you are interested in optimizing your articles and your website on Google search results. So here at the first glance on the home page, if you head over to resources, here you can find a bunch of beautiful tools like backlink checker, keyword planner, and so on. Or you can head over to all SEO tools. Following that, you can find all tools in this wonderful website divided in many categories like SEO analysis, keyword research, content tools, website tools, or SEO tools. So here we can check out one of these beautiful tools like keyword planner to get some target keywords regarding our seed word or seed idea. And this tool powered by SEMrush, one of the most powerful keyword tools. So here you can insert something like the benefits of banana or the benefits of lupin or something like that. I am not a robot. Continue to the keyword planner tool. Then just a few seconds here you can find a bunch of beautiful target keywords regarding your seed query, as you see, with their metrics like search volume, the number of results, difficulty, and the competition over this target keyword, and search trend from Google Trend, and for actions, and so on. So here you can find your target keyword to write your articles about, and so on and so forth. So the first tool today that is completely for free is hoth.com. And the second website quickly, that is TubeOptimizecom. It's a beautiful gem of YouTube tools that help you more as a content creator to find many tags, hashtags, titles, and so on for your YouTube videos and optimize your videos on YouTube search results. And the best part, all these tools are completely free. So here you can get the YouTube hashtag and YouTube tags, title generators, and for analysis and the comparison tools you can check the rank of your YouTube video and metadata of your YouTube channel, and so on and so forth. So for example, if we can head over to this one like YouTube hashtag generator and click over it, then here you can find the two options. Either you can go through YouTube hashtag generator concerning the YouTube suggestions, or AI YouTube hashtag generator. So here you can insert your main idea and your main keyword like AI tools, for example. And here you select your language and click over this button, generate hashtags, as you observe. And likewise, here you can find different tools like for YouTube thumbnail customizer, YouTube title generator, like this one, for example. The same idea. AI tools for making money online. And here you can select AI YouTube title generator or YouTube title generator based on YouTube suggestions. And here you can insert your tone of voice if you want and number of results. So click over this button, generate titles, and just in a snap here you can find amazing titles based on your query, like post your earnings with AI tools, ultimate guide, maximize your income using AI tools, tips and tricks, and so on and so forth. Or you can use this one, YouTube title generator. So click over it, generate titles, as you see, updated titles as you observe. So this website is TubeOptimizecom. And the third website quickly, that is Reddit keyword research tool. As the name suggests, it gives you some keywords based on reddit.com, one of the biggest social media platforms that contains huge amounts of subreddits or groups. And of course, we all know any subreddit is concerning a specific idea or a specific interest. So here, by using this tool, it scans deeply in these subreddits to give you a pure niche with less competition. So for example, if we head over to this part and type something like motivation or courage or love and so on, it gives you a specific keyword or a specific idea from different subreddits. So we can test it out and you can type something like motivation, and here you can find from the search bar of Reddit this suggestion, motivation or demotivational. So we can select the second one, get keywords. That's it. Here you can find this body and mind. People on reddit.com are searching for this keyword and this idea about 480 times a month, as you observe. So you can use this keyword as a starting point to create your articles around this topic. You can make some designs in your merch and so on and so forth. Perfect. And the fourth website quickly, that is summary.com. It's a beautiful free tool that enables you to summarize any lengthy article just in few sentences and paragraphs. And even better, you can insert here the URL of any web page to summarize it in a click of a button. So for example, if we head over to Google search and we can search something, so we can randomly go to this one, Lupin Benefits Natural Health Guide, and copy link address and head over back to our tool summary. This insert here this URL, paste, and here you can specify the number of sentences, so we can make it 5 for example, then summarize. Now just in few seconds this tool summarizes this lengthy article to some sentences. Grasp the main idea and the main thoughts in this blog post, as you observe. And of course, I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment an amazing list of summarizing tool for articles and for YouTube videos and for books as well. And the next tool quickly, that is thumbnailchecker.com. One of the best tools to check the attractiveness and the effectiveness of your YouTube thumbnail, how attractive it has to attract many scrolling eyes and eyeballs. All through, just you can select one of these options, or you can insert here your YouTube thumbnail, or you can compare between 2 different thumbnails or 3 and so on. Then insert the title of your YouTube video and upload here your YouTube thumbnail. And click over this button, check your thumbnail. And just in a few seconds, here you can find your YouTube thumbnail found on the homepage of YouTube. Therefore, you can, by your eye, you can check the effectiveness and attractiveness of your YouTube thumbnail among all other YouTube videos in the same niche as you want. And the next website quickly, that is TTSmaker.com. It's an amazing free tool that enables you to convert text to speech to natural lifelike voiceover in different languages and different accents. So here you can insert your text and your script. Then you can select here your favorite voice, then click over this convert. So for example, we can insert here a specific paragraph like this one from summary. Okay, like this one for example. Copy and head over to this TTS Maker. So quickly and blindly you can select this one for LAM United States.
TTS Maker is a free text-to-speech tool that provides speech synthesis services.
Select it, insert here your code and convert to speech.
Amino acids are organic compounds that combine to form proteins. When proteins are digested and broken down, amino acids are left.
And the best part here in this amazing website is for commercial, as you see. So you can use ttsmaker.com to make your ads on social media and so forth. And by the end of the video, thank you for watching. And if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.